Well, this bitch is heavy, y'all. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ants, Machines, and Things. You guys already know what it is. It's your host, Anthony Han, back again with another video. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is literally a dream come true. I'm just gonna throw this in there, y'all. I know God is real because I literally been speaking about getting a motorcycle since I got my motorcycle license, and I've been telling him that I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Money-wise, all kind of different ways, but guess what? He always come through and work his magic. I just get up every day and do what I got to do, and he does what he has to do. It's a literally battle that I don't even have to fight. So I hope that you're not out there having to fight no battle, babe, because he give you all the tools you need to do what you need to do. But look at this, my guys. I just picked up this motorcycle. Shout out to my homie Sean. For real, shout out to my homie Sean and his mom for letting me bring this beauty home. A little bit of details about it. I just bought it home today, like not even 2 hours ago, so I'm just getting all of the nooks and crannies of it. But this is a 1996 Kawasaki Vulcan 800, if you guys can see that. It's an 800cc cruiser motorcycle, I apologize. And as I'm sitting here looking at it, guys, this thing is completely stock. I just got into one of the saddlebags because it has a saddlebag right there and it has a saddlebag right there. I opened it up and it has all of the original manuals and everything in it, like volume 1 on how to operate your Vulcan and everything. And then we also got the operator's manual and everything. So we got some original stuff that came with the bike. And I know that everybody here who's watching this video right now is wondering how many miles it has. Guys, it only has 5,000 miles on it. This bike only has 5,000 miles on it. Like, I haven't even cleaned it yet, but look how new all of that looks. Look how new all of this looks. All of this is still immaculate. It was a garage kept. So, and it looked like it had a tarp over it for a long time. So honestly, this bike is completely stock right now. You want to know how I know it's completely stock? Because these are the original tires that were made in Japan. This bike is stock, y'all. I'm so excited for this. Honestly, I feel like I'm talking a lot. I'm trying to get y'all some footage of the bike, but I'm so freaking excited. My GoPro's trying to die on me right now and all of this stuff. It's been a crazy weekend. It was raining yesterday and all kind of stuff, but we here, man. We got it here. I'm excited for this series right here because this is going to be the beginning of my moto vlogs pretty much. I've been wanting to do moto vlogs for a while, and I got to go ahead and get some more equipment to be able to do so. But this is going to be the start of a whole new chapter of my YouTube and a next level for my YouTube, honestly. And not even just in my YouTube, in my personal life, in my personal journey. Motorcycles in general just allow you to meet so many different kind of people and go to so many different kind of places. And that's the entire beauty of owning a motorcycle, is that freedom of just getting up and going. You know what I'm saying? And right now, that's the point that I am in my life as a young man with no responsibility. Take that as you may. Yeah, I can get up and do what I want. Obviously, I got to go to work, you know what I'm saying, to make the bread, but I can get up after work and on the weekends and do whatever the heck I want. So that's amazing for me, you know, and this is just one of them things that's about to add on to me doing what the heck I want to do, you know. And going out here to explore this big old world. We got a big old world out here, y'all, to see. And you never really want to get trapped anywhere, physically or mentally, because I feel like the place that you reside in, whether it's a good city or a bad city, you can feel like you're trapped there. And it's a big old world out here to see. And it's a lot more people than the local people that are a lot different, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for this. I'm really excited for this. My birthday is literally, you know, it's either a week or 2 weeks. I think my birthday is in a week. I'm about to turn 24. I just bought my first motorcycle right now, and I'm not even documenting any of this to get famous or get YouTube famous or none of that. I am doing all of this for the sole purpose of, we have the ability to document this, and one day I'm gonna be 60, 70, 80. Hopefully I make it to 90. My goal is to make it to 101. I always say that, and I want to be able to look back on these videos, and I don't want the AI. I don't need AI. I want to be able to show people how intelligent I was, because I am intelligent, to show how flexible I am at this age, you know what I'm saying, that I can move around, that I can jump up and down, and tell people, like, you can't tell me nothing because I did it. I was your age before, my guy. I did it. So don't be trying to come at me weird because I'm old, because I did everything, my boy. I started what you're doing. You know, people don't know that this is the start. This is the start of something great. I'm branding myself right now, Ants Machines and things, baby. That's gonna take me far. Because if y'all don't know, it's your boy Ant. You know what I'm saying? I love working on machines. I just love working on machines. I'm really mechanical. And then in things, I just like doing a lot of things. I like eating, I like skating, you know what I'm saying? I like going to Zoomies and buying clothes, and I like working and making money, and a lot more stuff, of course. But yeah, those are some of the things I like to do. So my channel is going to be a mix of machines and things, you feel me? So man, somebody just drove past and screamed something at me. I don't even know what they said. But stay tuned, bet everybody, pretty much. Please like the video, please subscribe if you want to get some more updates on this video. More videos coming to the Kawasaki Vulcan. Again, this is a 1996 Kawasaki Vulcan 800 classic, literally a 1996, y'all, and my truck is a 1998, so they pretty much, they brother and sister right now. She's a little bit older than him though, and she is a she. I'm gonna give her a name. I don't know, maybe we'll figure out the next video. I don't know. Drop in some comments, what do you guys think? If you guys got this bike, comment down below. Tell me how this bike is. Tell me, is it a good beginner bike? You know what I'm saying? Tell me some of the quirks about it. If I know, does the freaking exhaust leak or something like that, or does the horn not work when you turn it left? I don't know. Tell me some of the quirks about this bike. Put in the comments, please, where I can get some parts from, because I'm gonna need that. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, subscribe to the video, you guys. You already know what it is. It's your boy Ant. Thank you all for tuning in to another video, Ant's Machines and Things. That bike is so freaking heavy, y'all. Again, shout out to my homie Sean for helping me get that out the garage, because if it wasn't for his strong ass, I wouldn't be able to do it. Honestly, Ty, I don't even think me and you would have been able to do it, bro, because that bike was heavy. And I did drop it, as y'all see. I already got dropped once, so. But again, thank you all for tuning in to another video. I love you all. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Yeah. Oh shit, yeah, it's heavy. It was tarped off, which is good. There go the exhaust. Gotta pull in the clutch. Go all the way down to first. It's like a second. That should be neutral. Yeah. Okay. Yep. One, two, three. Yeah, that's easier. Ooh, that was way easier. You gotta do one at a time. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, damn. Why you get stuck right there? Damn flat ass wheel. There we go. I put my whole body in that. My goodness. Shit.
Ain't had fresh air
Yeah. Go ahead. Fill that out. That's what it looks like. Woo. Do I look small on it? Look big on it? What it look like?
Actually, nah.
Not too bad. You know what I'm saying?
What's that?
Try to. Well.
I ain't take
This bitch is heavy, y'all. For no reason, like. Alright. So you're never supposed to pick it up, like.
You know what?
You're not supposed to pick it up with your back.
Oh,
Ah.
before you turn that motherfucker around.
Shit.
But I definitely about to pick it up like you told me not to.
Okay. You got the hard part. Dude. I ain't got no grip either.
27 kicking my ass the weekend. Shit.
You strong as hell, dude. Cause it's your weight. Okay. My heart is beating so fast right now. We're gonna do it like that. I don't think that's going anywhere. Next time you see it, I will be riding down here on it.
I bet. I feel like I'll be in my room, I look at my window.
You see, I'm gonna pull up right here like,